morning everyone. Yesterday I have finished off all my jobs. I had to pull a toilet apart, had a few issues with that. So that sort of seems to have fixed itself now a bit, and I'm not confident with it, but we'll see how it goes. But today's job is in the anchor well. I have to start, it's a few days worth of work, make a box for the spare anchor chain. I also need to redo the drain out of the bottom of the anchor chain box itself and pull out the winch motor, overhaul it and replace the cable for it because it is too small for the windlass. So that's a few jobs, that's probably a week or so worth of work there by the time I go to town and get everything and so on. But new day, new jobs. Let's get into it. First of all, we'll unpack it all. So I can get down the bottom. You can see the drain coming out of the bottom of the anchor box there, the chain. It's got a kink in it, so that's definitely going to block up. So we need to get onto that and fix that. You can see it's still dusty in here. I'm going to have to vac it for when they did the sandblast. So we'll get into that and vac that as well.
One hour later.
Well, I had to modify my spanner. That'll be the end of that one. Smallest spanner in the world. It was either that or take the whole thing out. So I thought, well, here goes nothing. Well, hopefully it comes off.
A few moments later.
Don't lose my little key. Oh, that'll be sad days. Oh, that all looks good. have a look at the motor. Well, the motor looks okay. I think the brushes were just jamming a bit. Needs to be lubed up. We'll see. I think it just needs to freshen up.
He's at it again, guys.
We have finally got our 3-way kitchen tap for our filtered water. So we've got filtered water coming out one of the spouts and normal hot cold coming out the other. All in one tap, because I didn't want to drill another hole through the concrete and have an extra spout for drinking water. So we've got an all-in-one. But I'm just having a look at the fittings and I'm thinking maybe they're a little bit large for what I've allowed for.
Dope.
So we're going to have to check that out right now. Let me have a look at the other fittings. Oh, gotta go to the channel route before it closes.
Oh, you better hurry.
I bought all those ones because I thought it was that size.
Oh my gosh.
And now it turns out to be the other size, of course. Anyway, shit happens. There's another hundreds of spares.
Are they spares if we can never use them?
We'll use them.
Or are they just wait?
We've used about 1 million of them. We'll use them.
I think that Karl's actually in love with the lady at the chandlery because he has to go there every day to say.
Every day.
Every day. She loves it.
To visit her. That's the end of the sink today. I've got to go on a bit of a rescue mission. The poor lady up the end of the berth here, it's extremely windy. She went to jump across the gap between their yacht and the pontoon itself and tripped and missed and bit the edge of the concrete with her face. So we're going to take her into Bundaberg into hospital. She's got broken tooth and bruised nose and a few other things, just to make sure she's okay. No more tap fixing today. Off to town again. Second time for today, but oh well. Good morning, everyone. Even though I'm still wearing the same clothes, which is the truth, it's the next day. And I'm back into the fitting our new filtered drinking water tap. And Catherine is, well, I don't know what you're doing. What are you doing?
Just wasting time.
Wasting time while I'm unpacking junk everywhere. And we can hopefully replace our stuff in here. Everything all meets up. And we can test out our new filtered drinking water system. So that's today's job. Well, this morning's job anyway. Wow, that's good. Because I didn't think that was going to come out that quick. Wow, looks like a mouse has chewed a hole through the sink. Oh my god. Wow. I need earmuffs.
Yeah.
It's too noisy, so I've got to get earplugs. We'll see how we go. Oh yeah, that part fits, so that's good. Might clash with the fry pan a bit more. I could put it sideways.
No.
Oh yeah, maybe it's meant to go sideways. Oh, that's what it's meant to be. Oh.
We're just going to test the water now. We're going to run through and clean out the pipes. This is the drinking water. Here we go. Maybe. Thinking about it. Ooh, it's good. I've got it, yeah.
Look at our new tap. Had to borrow a few tools to get it sorted out. So we've got hot and cold, just like normal. And we've got filtered water as well. And if we have a look, once the bubbles stop, and if we have a look once the bubbles calm down, it's very hard to see, but it is crystal clear. It's actually clearer than the glass. And tastes and smells like nothing. Like nothing. Which is good.
Great.
Hopefully we don't die.
Oh my god.
Okay. Hopefully we don't get the shits.
Well, hopefully we don't get the shit.
It should be okay. And we also have a UV sterilizer that we can use if we need to. If we think that for some reason that the water's not quite perfect. So there we go. Another job done. Tick off the list.
Good job. I've got myself a little decorating job to do. I'm putting new handles on that have a little bit more grip, so that when we want to open these tiny little cupboards, we've got something actually to hold on to. So they're really sticky. So yep, that's what I'm gonna do. All done. Look at that. Much happier. Got much better grip. Of course, I grabbed that one, which is the worst. Just got one that I can't get undone over here. So it looks like it's been glued in. I'll need Karl's muscles to undo that one.
Today, I'm into our anchor locker again. And I am making a little box for our excess anchor chain because it doesn't quite fit in our current chain box. If you have a look down here, you can see it's nearly overflowing. So when you winch the anchor up, it just builds up in a big heap and all tangles up and doesn't really work. So I'm going to put another box down below, and the very end of it that we rarely use can go into there, and it should work just fine. So that's my mission for today, but there's a lot of funny angles. So we have to work on getting that to fit, and I'm not even sure that I can do that yet, but I'm working on it. It's another sunny day at Bundaberg, but it's a little windy. It's going to be about, I don't know, 27, 30 degrees today. Before it gets too hot, I thought I'd get into it. Right. So I've pre-cut up a few already, and hopefully they now fit into the anchor well down here where my feet are. Well, that's a good start. Something fits. Next piece. Woohoo! Well, that's good. Now it's just a matter of hopefully screwing it together somehow. It's not going to work well at all. Oh, that didn't work well. There we go, all done. And inside that, on the inside of that, I'm going to put a vinyl bag, and then the chain can go into there. Should be good.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. If you want a reminder, hit the bell. And remember, we always love a thumbs up.
Is it
Angela, is it?
No. It's not D. I'll think of it.
It starts with an A.
Oh.
Andrea.
No. It's not Andrea. Oh, maybe it is.
Some boyfriend you are.
Anyway, I forgot. Andrea. Is it Andrea? Andrea?
You'll have to ask her again when you go.
Oh, God. It might be Andrea, actually. It could be Andrea.
Off you go.
Oh, I've got to go.
Shiny lights and purple sky, everything's so bright. 기다려왔어 지금이야. Turn off your phone and off your mind. Look at you so bright. 멈출 수 없어 지금이야. Oh, I'll take you to the moon. Come on up, enjoy your ride. Oh, I'll take you to the moon. Just be ready.